2012 INFINITI G37. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it, factory converter there. Then factory, like Infinity's way of an X pipe. Duals in, then it duals back out. Then what we did is a resonator delete, mid resonator delete. She didn't want too much sound. Left the stock muffler out the back and freshened her up with some new double wall stainless steel tips. There'll be a link in the description. They're 4 inches by 2.5 inlay. Just came out really clean. There's the 2 resonators that were on it, and there's the old tips that we took off because to make it look cleaner, as you guys can see. Came out really beautiful, really pretty. There it is, resonator delete and 4-inch tips. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. 2013 INFINITI G37. Really beautiful car. As you guys can see, as all of them are. Any and every car is good, as long as we don't have to walk. Ain't that right, Jared? Yeah. Yes, sir. Anyways, what we put on this one is an Nvidia system. As you guys can see, this is Nvidia's way of flex pipes. Because these cars come with flex pipes usually. I'll show them to you outside. So they use a spring-loaded pipe like that for a flex pipe, which is pretty cool. Then it's got resonators there, X pipe after the resonators. Then it continues factory Nvidia pipe all the way back into a dual muffler. I forgot to take the plastic off. Sorry. There's that Nvidia right there. A dual chamber design into some 4.5-inch tips out the back, just to complete the look. Really clean, really nice. Nice and shiny. I like that. This is everything we took off. There's the 2 flex pipes, wide pipe. This is Infinity's way of an X pipe. Huge. Anyways, it's okay. Factory resonators, factory muffler out the back. They come with a single muffler out the back, dual tips. As you guys can see, that's the old system, and that's the factory flex pipes right there, compared to what I showed you in that. So that's what most of the time these rot out. If you ever have a G37, it's loud right there. That's why, because that heat shield holds in all the moisture. It's got fiberglass in it right there, and it just rots the pipe out from the inside out. It's really bad design. I don't know why they use it, but that's why. So we change this part all the time because of that issue. Want it too loud? That's cool. Your sound just again, right at 102. Not bad. Go ahead and back it up. That's clean, actually. Resonator delete and 4-inch tips. Stock muffler. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's clean. Higher. Here's sound decibels. Again, right at 99. So we'll say 100. That's not bad. It's a really nice system. It's clean. It's just the sound is really clean. That's good. I like how they put the badge on the side of the video. NVIDIA complete catback system. Let you guys hear on the inside. Infiniti G37 NVIDIA system. That's what it sounds like.